Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, thank you so much guys for all the love and support. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. आज की वीडियो में we are going to be talking about stick-on nails. So basically there is nothing good than natural nails. मतलब if you are able to grow your natural nails then that is really good. But मेरे केस में क्या होता है ना, like I try to grow my natural nails, but एक कोई nail ऐसा होता है which always breaks down और उसके बाद like I have to cut all the nails to make it look even. And like this is a real struggle. मतलब मैं कब से try कर रही हूँ to grow my natural nails long, but it's not happening. So finally I decided to get the stick-on nail. I've also tried like nail extensions. Or like in my experience, it's not at all painful and like it took 2 hours. But it was done very professionally, तो बिल्कुल भी painful नहीं था. But the only problem is that कि आपको like monthly visit लेना पड़ेगा to the nail salons. मतलब it's not like monthly, but it depends on the rate at which your like original nails grow. So you have to go and like get your original nails cut from underneath and all. So all in all, it's a bit like cumbersome. But the best part with stick-on nails is that कि आप उसको घर पे आराम से अपने convenience पे apply कर सकते हो. And these ones retailed for about ₹700, but I can easily make out like 6-7 uses out of these. क्योंकि अगर आप इनको अच्छे से like you remove them and store them, you can reuse them. आराम से like these will last you for 6-7 uses, which makes its like cost value down to like ₹100 per use. Yeah, that makes sense. Interested to know like how I got these nails done? Then keep on watching this video. So I have got my nails from empressnails.com, and it's a website which sells luxury nails. And I received this separate pouch which had a thank you note along with a manual that was pretty much self-explanatory. And they were also really thoughtful to send me a mask. Also in this pouch I had received a pack of nail stickers that would come in really handy. And also there were 2 nail tools inside the pouch, one of which was a filer and the other one I don't know, but it is meant to like press back your cuticles. So talking about the packaging, I received them in this beautiful cardboard packaging which had about 12 nails inside, and I have ordered them in matte and in a coffin shape. So yeah, this is how they looked. I think the packaging was really luxurious. Now next I decided to get all the things ready before I begin. So I began with filing my nails. This really helps to like uneven the surface of your nails and get them ready for applying the like stick-on nails. And also you can notice that I have not cut the length of my original nails. This is because I'm trying to grow them long anyways, so I decided to not chop them off. And yeah, once I was done with filing my nails, I decided to apply a hand cream. So I'm applying this Innisfree hand cream. And first of all, I applied a generous amount in my cuticles and gave them a good massage. And with all of the leftover hand creams, I gave a good massage to my palm and like to my entire hand in general. And once that was done, I used this particular tool to press the cuticles back so that the nails can breathe and they can grow. Yeah, and after that I applied my nails with some transparent like nail paint, which you can also call as the base coat. So this will prevent my nails from getting irritated by all of the glues. Yeah, so never forget to apply this base coat. Now my nails are all prepped. Now I will be checking like the sizes of the nails, whether they fit to my nail bed or not, and accordingly I will choose the nails that I want to apply. And once I have chosen, I will remove the like double-sided tape that is stuck to the back of the nail, and then I will place the nail on my original nails and give them a press for about 5 to 6 seconds. And with that it is done. I will be repeating the steps and sticking up all the nails. and after that I will be giving a good filing to these artificial nails so that they look more original and polished. And yeah, with that I think the nails are all ready. So you can also cut the length if that suits you. And that was it.